It's pretty nice last night.
I should have brought. I should have brought my tent.
You ain't ready though. You got the GoPro on.
It's on. It's on. So I just cut it on. So watch what you say. Watch what you say, cause it's gonna be on tape. It's gonna be on tape.
Okay. They might come back to hunt you.
Yep. Might come. Yeah, man. Feel good out here like this.
Yeah, man. It's getting a little humid though.
Yeah.
I mean, it ain't hot. It's getting a little humid.
Go down here and see my guy with the barbecue truck. I told him to come.
That's your guy?
Yeah, Jermaine.
Okay, okay.
Go down and talk to him real quick.
Thank you how you got them rims coordinated.
I know. I'm finna do some.
Well, that's like put some new shoestrings or
I'm finna do some paint on my rims.
Oh, you gonna do it like that?
I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll put some gray in there.
The gray.
Silver in the black.
Silver.
Yeah, the silver.
In the black.
Yeah.
In the black, yeah.
In the black rims, yeah.
Yeah. Now that's a coordination right there.
I got a whole bunch of stuff I want to do. You know how that goes.
Oh yeah.
It never ends. It never ends.
You can always put something on there.
This black one. Go talk to my guy Jermaine real quick.
Okay.
They did it for the E-Ray.
We're having a big
$10 holler.
What are you doing? They coming in. Red one, nice. Jermaine got it going. Oh man, the turnout, they still coming in.
Where you at, man?
We got our cars way in the back there because we put on the show. I'm in the back. I'll show it to you. It's back there. They're pulling in. Those are trophies.
Yeah.
That's gonna be top 100, top 20 cars, and some other ones, some best in shows. Still, a lot of people pulling in. They just cleaning up the rides now. They're ready for the show.
We was behind. I came in behind a gang of Illinois plates.
Oh yeah.
Probably at least 30 cars from Illinois.
Yeah. Yep. It's rolling.
This dude lives around the corner from my house. This is parked right outside.
Oh really?
Yep.
Oh okay.
Uncle Bo's Drilling Go.
So yeah, there's some nice cars out here. Matter of fact, let's see where mine. Hey, see that yellow?
Yeah.
I'm back there in that road. That's our cars.
Okay,
I'm back
make
there.
my way around.
I'm the silver one with the red stripes over it, but
okay.
yeah. So we got clubs from St. Louis, the Ohio club, Council, Chicago, Flint, Michigan.
I can vouch for Chicago being here.
Yeah.
And I was right next to them.
Yeah. The Road Dogs and Crossroads.
My favorite Corvette, growing up watching the 18, is at 87.
The 87?
Yeah.
It's one out here somewhere.
I saw it.
Yeah. Now let me get back over here to parking these cars for the people. I'm gonna holler at you. I'm gonna come get me something in a little bit. Yeah, we out here in the show with the show. We got 5 minutes in. Look at this beautiful red one. Red and white one. They're cleaning them up. There you go. What's going on? I didn't see you last night, man. They was cutting up last night out there at the hotel.
You know,
the birthday? I know.
I'm gonna leave probably about 12, go eat brunch and come back.
Yeah.
She got that brunch thing set up.
I like how he did this color in the rim. I'm gonna do something like that.
Yeah, that's nice. Match the top.
Put some yellow in yours, man. That'd be nice. I'm telling you, Rim Revolution in Brookfield. I'm gonna do mine myself though.
Okay.
You're doing such a good job at that. Mine's way in the back.
You said hook it up, huh?
So let me know. I'll let the top down so you can get all up inside and everything. I'll let you know.
I'm gonna send you that invoice.
Okay. Okay. So pretty much got all the Chicago people and trendsetters and
price actors here, customers here. Yeah.
Hey, somebody said it's a cat named Freddie trying to give away a C7. You seen him at all?
Yeah.
man.
Buy mine?
Yeah. They said he was giving it away. It's a cat named
I'll
Freddie.
give it away when they give me some money. It's a big barter
okay.
system. Give money, get car.
Well, if you see him, let me know.
All right.
Let me know where he is. See, when we get them big rolls coming in, what they need to do is just go over with the white.
Well, you saw how I was pulling them around the court. It's like when this whole road, they had to go down and back in.
Right. When you could have zoom. And then, because you had people sitting out there.
Or what you should have done though, even when you do this row, doing the other row at the same time. That way you got two cars.
No.
That was rough. These people sitting out there 30 minutes waiting to park. You heard all them fans going on.
And if that's the thing, that's the issue with C7. If you are sitting idle with your air on, the car will actually start to overheat.
I didn't know that.
And it will actually shut itself off.
Really?
I did not know that.
Mm-hmm. It happened to me going to St. Louis. We were stuck in traffic.
Really?
It was on that bridge as soon as you get in St. Louis.
At least it cut off.
Yeah.
Sit right there. Next thing I know, some temperature warning light come on. I'm like, what the? And so I pulled off, and it was an accident ahead. I pulled off, and it started to cool off. I fired it back up. The light was still on, but it was still cool enough to drive. There was a gas station on the other side of the bridge.
Watch out. Here we go.
This one, he was just letting go. And she was saying, I knew something was funny was happening, but I didn't know. Hey, why would you want him to run so far? Right. Hey, Bobby.
Man, park him right here.
No, he can't walk that far. Yeah, why don't we put him right over here? Put him right there. Thank you. Hey, you got the other freaky today, Park. You got your other freaky today, Park. All right. Yo, Kev, where you going? Where you going?
Yep. And it's recording.
You have a drum?
Oh man, that's what I think. That's what. Yeah, that's why I'm following them. That's why I'm following them.
All right, Bob.
Yep. Got the Buicks in the house. Memphis, right? So all my family are there in Cullerton, Tennessee. Yep. Parents came up here in 1970, been up here ever since. But all my other family, cousins, everybody down there. The Buick. guys, which one of these y'all want? Which one of these y'all want? We can make a trade for that, you know, for one of these cars. What you want to do? How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. So,
All day out.
this is a good day. That sun not beaming on you. Yep. So, are y'all enjoying the cars?
Yeah,
It's a lot of Yeah.
Beautiful cars here.
Yeah, we got people come from all over for this event.
Yeah, we had a retired firefighter from Gary, Indiana.
Oh yeah?
And Flint, Michigan.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's good. Well, you got a lot more cars to see.
Yeah.
Any of you guys got vets?
No.
Maybe.
Always wanted one when I was a kid, but this is more my style now.
I got you.
Something with a back seat.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, I know. Well, if you want one, I'm sure they'll sell you one in there.
Yeah, all right. I'm sure they would.
Yeah, all right.
They'd see me coming from a mile away.
Yep. Yep. How y'all doing? is this one?
Liquor boy. He in that orange shirt over there. You need information or something?
No, I was just wondering if I can steal some of his ideas. No, I just like the little flakes that he got in there. Did he?
He do a lot of that stuff himself. He got them back here too, the lights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he do a lot of that stuff himself. Yeah, he good.
Let's see, you got the running board. It's a good idea. Is that them right there, them vets?
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah.
They big.
You got Windy City Corvette, and you got Chicago Road Dog, and then
Gee, I got a dog.
I guess they still tight with each other. Where they went out, so man, it's like,
You got sound on that video?
Huh?
You got sound on that?
Yeah,
No, I'm just,
Yeah.
I'm gonna add music to it or whatever.
I can do that too.
Okay.
Yeah, music, do everything. Yeah.
I guess we'll have to put Alex closer. Nah, hey, Dennis, we gotta find him somewhere up close. We'll find him somewhere up close here.
Put them next to that white. Is there a space there?
It should be.
What about next to that white one? The C5 right there.
Won't you take it home? What's going on? Looking good.
Well, I like the last shirt better than this shirt. I'm hot already. It ain't even hot. I'm gonna go get me a couple polo shirts and then do.
Okay, is this rest of Crossroads or?
Who we got?
Yeah. Yeah.
Put your mirror right here.
You need to come forward, back up. Start straightening it out. Whoa, you perfect. You perfect. Just straighten it. Perfect. Yeah. No, he's straight. Just. You're good right there. Put your edge of this mirror onto the. Yeah, come forward. Come over this way. Come over this way. Yeah. Now go straight. Straight. No, he crooked. Come on, come on. Tell him come forward. Come on. Now go straight. 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 He too. Right there. He good. He good. Come up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, go straight. No, straight. Go straight. Just straight. He not listening. He not listening. You know what? Come forward. Okay, come forward. Come over here. Come over here. Now just go straight. Just straight. Straight. Now go over this, go straight. This one's gonna be a little off. Go ahead, go straight, straight. There's a guy behind, watch out. Okay. Okay. Go this way. Turn the wheel. Other way. Yeah. Yeah. Just go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go. You good. He good. He good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. You're good. Come on. Oh, you gotta go over a lot. Okay. Okay. Keep your wheel like that, bag it up like that. Bag it like, keep it like that. Turn it. The other way now a little bit. Turn it this way. Other way now. Yeah. Keep going. Straighten it out. He good. Yeah. Come up just a hair. Yeah. You good. That's it. Come over this. Right here. Where I'm at. Come on. Whoa. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Turn her around. Straight. Straight. You got it. Keep going. You got it. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Come over this way. Okay. Go ahead. Go. You got it. Now straight. Turn a little bit. Turn, yeah. Now straight. Straight out the wheel, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Let's just come straight out the wheel. Keep your wheel just like that, back up. Now turn it all the way, yeah. You got it. Now go straight. Straight. Right there. You good. Come over here. You know what? Keep your wheel and turn it back like you had it. Yeah, just like that. You back up. Yeah. Now start turning it. Yeah. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Now just go straight. Straighten it out. Go straight back. You know what? Turn it a little bit. Yeah. Go back. Now straight. Yeah. Yeah. Go what? Go. How much room you got there? Now come forward. Yeah. He good. He good. Got 3 more. We got 1 more here. So we got another group. We got space for 1 here. Go ahead and get them in here. What, the white one going here? The red one? Okay. You got it. Now just go straight. You got it. Just go straight. Right there. Very good. So where they going? Like this? Yeah. Okay. Just line them up right in front. Yeah. We got 20 from here.
spaced out good.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing though.
Oh, Scott, okay.
We got 2 different clubs.
No, we're gonna finish them up right here, and whatever's left over, throw them over here. Starting here? Right. Right now we're all that's gonna be Indiana right there. Yeah.
After those 4, we don't.
Let's get them all in there first. You know what? Come forward a little. Yeah, bring it straight back. There you go. Just straight. Straight. There you go. Go. Here you go. A little bit more. A little more. A little bit more. Right there. Yeah. Come on. Bring it straight. You got it. Go ahead. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. Right there. Other way, other way. Yeah. You got it. No, straight. A little space, so go ahead. That's good, that's good. Got a little space there, but that's fine.
We got like
How many more gotta go here? Okay. You pulled up like a pro. He pulled up. That's what I'm talking about. Gentlemen, go straight back. You got it. Go straight. You got it. Yeah, come over a little bit. There we go. Keep it straight. You got it. Keep it straight. You good. Right there. All you do is get yours straight in, because you the only last car on this end. You know? Yeah, come on over though. Come up and come over a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Start turning it the other way. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Keep going like that. Stay like that. Stay like that. Stay like that. Now straighten it out. Go straight. You got it. Go straight on back. Straight on back. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Right there. You good. Crossroad. Park them right in front here. You with him? You know what? Line it up in front right here.
I just want to just get it in spot.
Y'all want to move it over and you get there? You're going to be on the rocks a little. That'll work. Unless you want to do straight, like a straight on there. Yeah, you can do that. He gonna do it straight right here. Will that work? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Come on forward. Come forward more. Then you can just go straight. Come on. Now, yeah. Turn that wheel that way a little bit. Yeah. Keep it like that. 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 Now straighten it out. There you go. Oh man, what's going on? You bring all your cars today?
I'm waiting for some of the guys. I'll keep up the
Yeah. 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 You're gonna run out of space here. What's going on?
He came up to me yesterday. Then I thought, doing all the videos.
Oh yeah. Recording you right now, so you gonna be.
I saw your car. That's when I realized who you were.
Oh yeah.
So you to join them now?
Yeah, I've been with them for a year and a half or so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Small world, ain't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Class act is St. Louis. St. Louis, yeah. Oh, okay.
All right.
All right, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Man, I'm thirsty.